How far now, my people? As I dey enjoy my Lipton tea, make una join me, make we hear the truth together. One chapter wey go change our life.
Matthew chapter 8. After Jesus come down from the mountain, plenty people come follow am. One leper come meet am, kneel down for in front, come say,
Oga, if you want, you go fit heal me, so that my body go well.
Jesus touch the man, come say,
Yes, I want make you well.
at once the sickness comot from the man body. Then Jesus tell am,
Not tell anybody, but go meet the priest, make he look you. After, go give the offering wey Moses command.
when Jesus enter Capernaum, one Roman officer come meet am, dey beg make he help am. The officer say,
Oga, my servant dey wey no well for house. He no fit get up, and him body dey pain am well well.
Jesus come answer,
I go come heal am.
but the officer say,
Oga, I no big reach wey you go enter him house. Instead, just talk and my servant go well. Me sef, I be man wey get oga, and I still get soldiers wey dey under me. If I command one say make he go go. If I command another one say make he go come. And if I command my servant make he do this thing, he go do am.
when Jesus hear wetin he talk, he surprise. Then he tell the people wey dey follow am,
I tell una true word, I never see anybody wey get this kind faith for Israel. Many people from east and west go come follow Abraham, Isaac and Jacob, shop inside God kingdom. But then go throw the people wey suppose enter the kingdom for darkness, where dem go dey cry and grind their teeth.
Then Jesus come tell the officer,
Go, since you believe, na so e go be for you.
na that same time the servant well. When Jesus enter Peter house, he come see say Peter wife mama no well. Then he touch the woman, and the fever comot from him body. So the woman get up come begin serve them. When evening reach, dem bring many people wey demon dey inside them come meet Jesus. He drive the wicked spirits comot, come heal all the people wey no well. This one make wetin prophet Isaiah talk be true.
He remove our sickness and carry our disease come out.
When Jesus see plenty people gather am, he come command him disciples make dem cross go the other side for the river. One law teacher come tell Jesus.
Teacher, I go follow you go anywhere where you dey go.
Jesus come answer am,
Rabbit and bird get their own house, but man pikin no get where he go fit rest him head.
another disciple come say,
Oga, make I first go bury my papa.
Jesus answer am,
Follow me, make those wey don die bury their dead body.
as Jesus enter the boat, him disciples come follow am. At once strong breeze come dey blow for the sea, and wave wan sink the boat, but Jesus Christ dey sleep. So him disciples wake am come say,
Oga, save us! Na there we dey die so.
Jesus answer them,
Una faith small o, wetin make una dey fear?
then he get up, command the breeze and the wave, say make them stop, and everywhere come quiet at once. The men surprised well, come dey ask each other,
Which kind man be this? Even breeze and wave dey obey am.
when Jesus reach the other side where gathering people dey stay, two men wey get demon run from the burial ground come meet am. Nobody dey fit pass that road because the men wicked well. The demons come holla.
God pikin, you no go leave us? Abi you go suffer us when time never reach?
For where dem dey, plenty pig dey chop near there. Then the demons come beg Jesus.
If you drive us comot, make you send us go enter inside the pigs.
So Jesus tell them.
Make una go.
At once, dem come comot enter inside the pigs, and all the pigs rush go enter the river, come die. The people wey dey look the pigs run go the town, come tell people everything wey happen to the men wey get demons. Then everybody for the town come dey find Jesus. When dem see am, dem come beg am make he comot from their area.
How far now, my people? With time, we go know the truth, and the truth will set us free. Make una like this video, share am, and follow am.